Hello dear students, how are you? Perhaps you will be fine or not. So always be happy. First day. सबसे पहली बात अपने दिमाग पे कभी स्ट्रेस मत लो while studying physics. As you know, physics is the branch of science deals with the nature or natural phenomenon daily life. If you will clear the concept, and definitely it will be very easy to understand you. So dear student, work hard and try to clear your concept. If you clear your concept, definitely physics will be very easy. And for any query, you can make a call or contact to me on my WhatsApp number. Right. So in the previous topic, we are studying about properties of equipotential surfaces. We have studied different type of properties, no work done like, and etc. Equipotential surface. You know very well what is equipotential surface. A surface where potential is same at every point. So in this lecture, we will study about equipotential surfaces of various charges system. Equipotential surfaces of. In this topic, we will study equipotential surfaces of various charges system. So, dear student, we will draw the diagram of different equipotential surfaces due to various charges. So first, due to point charge, So dear student, you know very well. This is a point charge Q, or you can say plus charge, positive charge plus Q. This is a point charge positive. You know very well, electric field lines move or go away from positive charge and come towards negative charge. For this, these are the electric field lines in various directions. These are the electric field lines. So dear student, we have to draw equipotential surfaces due to this point charge. Simply circle, because every point has same distance. This is equipotential surface. Also, this is equipotential surface. This is equipotential surfaces. So these are the equipotential surface. On this surface, every point has same potential. Also, this surface, this is V1, this is V2, V3. These are the three equipotential. At V1, on the circle, every point has same potential. V2, on this circle, every point has same potential, and V3, every point has same potential. Right? And if the charge is negative, so no need, only sign will be changed. Like if this is negative point charge, electric field come towards, 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 electric field come towards. So you will draw here like you can draw lot of circles. And these are the equipotential surface due to point charges. This is positive and this is due to negative point charges. Now third one, equipotential surfaces of two equal and opposite charges. Equipotential surfaces due to two equal and opposite charges. So dear student, two equal and opposite charges, two equal and opposite point charges we will have to draw. In the previous chapter you have drawn the electric field lines due to positive and negative charges. Here this is the positive charge, equal and opposite, this is the negative charge. So dear student, one is positive, another is negative, and you know this is the electric field lines because they start from positive, terminate at negative also. Right, direction positive to negative especially, and also you can like from positive move away, from negative towards. So dear student, this is, we have drawn the electric field lines due to two equal and opposite charges. One thing I want to ask you, when two equal and opposite charges are there, what is the, where the electric field is weak or strong? Between this point, inside electric field is the strongest one, but at the far distance electric field lines becomes weaker. So here, because they will attract each other, so electric lines will be strong in that region. So nearest you will drive. So dear student, these are the equipotential surfaces, and inside the in this part, inside it, electric field is strong, and due to strong electric field, the equipotential surfaces are closer, and the weak region of electric field, equipotential surfaces are at far distance, as we have studied in the properties of electric field lines. This is also very important property. These diagrams can be asked in the exam, so you will have to study this type of diagram carefully. So this is the equipotential surfaces due to two equal and opposite charges. As you know, equipotential surfaces are very closer in this region. Now, equipotential surface of two equal charges. Equipotential surfaces of two equal charges. Dear student, whether they are positive or negative, if they are positive, if they are negative, only the sign of arrow will be same and remain things will be same. So we will draw equipotential surfaces due to two equal charges. What is that? and I am drawing this one here. Equipotential surfaces due to two equal charges, and this is positive charge. Stand. I am going to rough it. Then definitely you will understand it. Equipotential surfaces due to two equal charges, not opposite. Consider two charges, positive and this is also positive. If there are two positive charges, do you know what type of electric field lines between them? You know, because they will repel each other, and also the previous unit, previous chapter, you have noted the diagram of electric field lines. Because repel, so electric field lines will bend like this. Like this. Like this. So they will bend in this manner because they will repel each other. Arrow sign move away because electric field lines go away from positive charges. Now, main thing is for equipotential surface, because here they will repel each other, and if the two charges are equal nature, so definitely in the mid region electric field is very weak. So here, if electric field is very weak in this region, so equipotential surfaces are at far distances, right? So in this region electric field you got in my point perhaps. Strong region, this is the weak region, also weak region. Similarly, this is the strong region, weak region. Strong region, weak region. Strong region, weak region. At a large distance. Strong region, weak region. Also, strong region, weak region. Strong region. This is the strong region. So these are the equipotential surfaces, because two same, if they will be the negative, definitely the sign of arrow will be changed. So these are the diagrams due to equipotential surfaces of two equal charges, right? So now last one, equipotential surfaces for uniform electric field. Equipotential surfaces for uniform electric field. Please, equipotential surfaces for uniform electric field. You know, uniform electric field, constant lines. This is the uniform electric field, and for this uniform electric field we will have to draw the equipotential surface first. From here, another I will draw So dear students, they are the perpendicular, normal on the electric lines. So this is the first, this is the first, this is second, and this is the third. And these all are equipotential surface. Do you know? These are the equipotential surfaces due to uniform electric field. And this topic is very good and very important. So we have defined many different diagrams and different equipotential surfaces for uniform electric field. For a point charge, spherical, like circle. For two equal and opposite charges, inside region electric field is strong and equipotential surfaces are closer to different same nature of charges. In the mid region, inside between the charges, electric field is weak, but outside electric field is strong. And for uniform electric field, these are the equipotential surfaces. So you will have to practice these diagrams. And for today's, thank you. Have a nice day.